I'm with Cintas Fire Protection, and today we're going to talk about the importance of fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers come in a wide variety, each specific to its type of fire. An ABC fire extinguisher. This is the majority of the type of extinguisher that I deal with out in the field. It's an ABC because it has the ability to fight an A-rated, a B-rated, and a C-rated fire. A CO2 fire extinguisher has a BC rating. It's a carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. Most common places that these are found, server areas and sensitive electronic areas, i.e. breaker boxes. Purple K fire extinguisher. This has a BC rating. It's a different rating than the carbon dioxide. It has a 4 to 5 times more powerful B rating. This is why you will see Purple Ks at a lot of car racetracks. A clean agent fire extinguisher is an extinguisher that does not leave any harmful residue. A good place to have a clean agent fire extinguisher located is server rooms and any expensive electronic piece of equipment that you may have in your commercial setting. A water fire extinguisher, commonly referred to as a water cannon. This extinguisher will help you fight an A-rated fire. It's H2O in the container and it will shoot about 30 feet out to assist you in extinguishing a fire. A water mist fire extinguisher is a deionized water that you can use to not only fight an A-rated fire, it will also assist you with a C-rated fire. Water mists are typically found in any chlorine storage area and also very popular in food processing facilities. A Class D fire extinguisher. These are required in any areas where you have a combustible metal. A couple examples of that would be aluminum shavings, calcium shavings, magnesium shavings. One of the unique features about a Class D fire extinguisher is the wand. It allows you to stand back from the fire as it does its job creating an umbrella to suffocate the shavings. A K-Class fire extinguisher is an extinguisher that can assist you with putting out a kitchen commercial graded fire. K-Class is an agent that is designed to extinguish the higher temperature burning fires that you may come across in a commercial kitchen setting. If you would like to learn more about fire safety, please visit cintas.com/fire. Thank you for watching.